Hello, people of Earth. As you can see, I have a wonderful box. The box itself, even though it's just cracked open, is wonderful. Do you want to see inside the box? If no, click off the video. If you want to see what's inside the box, continue watching. I have already opened it. And unfortunately, I already know what's inside. Hopefully, none of the viewers know. So, okay. Just bear with me for a second while I take the little trap. There, that's better. Now, we have a significant problem. The object is down there. But look how much wrap they gave us. So, and I'm going to try my best not to spoil it. So as I can't do no surprise reveal because one, I'm in the kitchen, and two, that. It was all one big piece. Anyway, are you ready to see what was inside the box? This was inside the box. It's a Giganotosaurus. See? Look how cute he is. With all his yellow white teeth. This was fairly expensive. I got a Kronosaurus for Christmas. I'm not sure if this was a late present. Definitely wasn't a birthday, as my birthday is in May. So, what do you guys think? Shall I leave him in his bag, like some YouTubers do, or shall I actually take him out? I think we'll take him out. So, just bear with me a second. Fortunately, I only have two hands, so I cannot do both at the same time. So I have to do it off camera. But let's pull him out. Whoa! Here he is. He looks wonderful, doesn't he? So guys, I'm not sure whether they'll mark it as for kids. So if it is marked as for kids, then you might have to go on Instagram and text me there if you want me to review it in a separate video. But I'll put my Instagram down in the description. And I have run out of things to say, so